Welcome back to Resource Rundown. Today's tool turns a plain PDF into a finished explainer video in minutes. PDF to video AI works three ways: upload a document, paste text or a prompt, or drop in an article link. Viv Uploader accepts files up to 80 pages. Before generating, you choose the aspect ratio, video length, narration voice, and theme. There is even a speed control and a watermark toggle. Press Generate Video and the service builds slides, visuals, and voiceover for you. Sample projects on the homepage show what is possible, from study guides to learning explainers. Creators use tools like this for lessons, marketing clips, and social media content without touching an editor. Free plans usually include a watermark, so review the pricing page before publishing client work. Like this video, subscribe for more practical AI tools, and drop a comment with the next tool you want reviewed.